changes when I touch a plant, when I touch a tree. There is a form of an energetic exchange sort of happening where, you know, that tree is giving off energy, and I, through the sensation of touch and feeling, am sort of like picking that up. And it's a very, very cool thing that I've realized. But the other thing is that, you know, while I'm out here and I'm appreciating these plants, in my mind, every time I'm touching them, I'm telling them that I love them. And it's a funny thing because how it works in psychology